Good morning, beautiful soul. I'm so proud of you for being here, for taking this small moment just for yourself. You've shown up. You've chosen calm before the world begins to rush. That's strength. That's courage. So take a deep breath in, slowly, and exhale, letting go of anything that no longer belongs to you. This is your space to begin again. Let your body settle. Feel the ground beneath your feet, solid, safe, supporting you completely. Let your spine rise tall and confident. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw release, your breath flow freely. With each exhale, feel the weight of yesterday melting away. You don't have to carry it anymore. This moment is new. This morning is yours. Now bring gentle awareness to your body. Notice the soft rhythm of your breath, the cool air entering your lungs, the warmth as you release it. There's quiet life moving through you, calm, steady, sacred. You're waking up your body with kindness, and you're reminding yourself, I am here, I am alive, I am enough. Let that truth rest deeply within you. Feel a quiet pride blooming in your chest. You've already done something beautiful for yourself. Now bring your attention to your heart. Ask yourself softly, how do I want to feel today? Peaceful, focused, confident, whatever comes to mind. Breathe it in deeply. Let that feeling spread through your chest, your arms, your whole being. You are not rushing into the day. You are creating it, moment by moment. You decide the energy you bring into your world. You are calm. You are capable. You are ready. Now imagine yourself stepping into your day. The sunlight touches your face, soft and warm. You move with ease, grounded, steady, confident. Your words are kind. Your thoughts are clear. Every step you take feels balanced, intentional, and full of quiet strength. Whatever comes your way today, you'll meet it with grace because you are centered. You are the calm in your own storm. Take one last deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel gratitude for this morning, for this peace, for yourself. You showed up, and that's something to be proud of. You've already begun your day beautifully, with clarity and love. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes to a beautiful new day. Thank you so much for being with me today.